I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Reddit account has been suspended, don't you worry, there are steps you can take to get it back. Step 1. Understand the suspension reason. Before you can recover your account, check your email for any messages from Reddit explaining why your account was suspended. This will help you address the issue directly. Step 2. Visit the Reddit Help Center. Go to the Reddit Help Center and navigate to the section on account suspensions. This page provides important information about the recovery process and what to expect. Step 3. Submit a request. Before starting recovery, use the Azure.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your request, be patient. Reddit support team may take some time to review your case and respond. Check your email regularly for updates. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you haven't received a response within a week, consider following up with another request. Sometimes support tickets can get overlooked. Remember, patience is key during this process. Good luck, and I hope you get your account back soon.